What is the biggest disadvantage of your disorder?
Forgetfulness, blinking on where I am when driving, ordering an iced tea from McDonald's and the cashier tells me I ordered a Coke. Our newly developed smartwatch, the MyADHD, can remedy these problems through customizable reminders synced to the user's daily routine.
Our watch is designed to help 10 million people in the United States living with ADHD and struggling with it every day.
I am Joyce Doe.
I'm Sophia Liang.
I am Anna Lee.
I am Mary Tang.
I'm Isabel Wu, and we are Tech Times,
A company committed to improving the lives of adults with ADHD with our innovative watch, MyADHD, that aids in executive functioning, including organization, memory, and control.
Our device has multiple methods and behaviors that allow it to assist the user in their daily tasks in the modern world. Adults with ADHD face the difficulties of life, work, and family with a severe disadvantage because of their condition. Our product is designed to not only help adults with ADHD face these difficulties, but also to promote a better lifestyle.
ADHD is a lifelong disorder people of all ages suffer from. 60% of children with ADHD still have it as adults. Struggles that adults with ADHD face reflect negatively in their relationships and professions. Inadequate treatment and lack of innovative technology leave many with problems aside from ADHD, including anxiety, low self-esteem, and unemployment. In fact, adults with ADHD are 11 times more likely to be unemployed and not in school. Daily tasks become difficult for adults to accomplish because of their condition. For instance, job meetings where important dates and tasks are shared can't be forgotten, resulting in difficulty making deadlines.
Adults with ADHD face these obstacles daily. Medication has only helped 70% of adults with ADHD. The other 30% still struggle despite getting treatment. The effects of short-acting stimulant medication wear off quickly, and adults forget to take it multiple times daily. Contrarily, long-acting stimulants effects last throughout the evening, making it harder to sleep. MyADHD covers all of these problems and more.
Our goal is not to cure ADHD or to replace current treatment, but to make adults' lives easier and give them the tools and opportunities needed in the workplace and in their daily lives.
Past watches for ADHD, including Watchfinder, are used solely for the purpose of timekeeping. MyADHD has a wide range of functions that allows for it to be tailored to help adults manage their busy schedules. ADHD diagnoses among adults are growing 4 times faster than those in children. Hence, the need for assistive technology for adults with ADHD is in high demand.
With MyADHD, users can create reminders to notify them to take medication, attend meetings, complete certain tasks, and much more. For example, a reminder named Med automatically repeats at the same time every day to remind users to take their ADHD medication on time. Users can also scroll through their upcoming reminders that they have created on the watch, and once synced from their phone, like calendars and reminders. The reminders feature of MyADHD transforms taking medication and managing schedules into a simple, unburdening task.
50% of adults with ADHD also have anxiety. One way MyADHD is designed to combat this is by offering guided meditation and breathing sessions throughout the day to help adults unwind and take a much-needed break. During these breathing sessions, an automated voice counts to 4 as the user inhales, 7 as they hold their breath, and 8 as they exhale. This can also be adjusted within the app.
We've adopted a concept from Fitbit, which is heart rate and breathing rate detection. Heart rate detection uses a technique called pulse oximetry, which is a part of photoplasmatography that uses optical sensor chips to detect light from LEDs. The pulse oximeter sensor sends pulses of infrared light to measure the blood passing through the finger, thus measuring the oxygen through light absorption in oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
MyADHD also connects users to their physicians through the app that transmits users' data through API to send direct alerts to the doctor. Studies have shown telehealth devices that enable physicians to remotely monitor their patients have had multiple benefits, which is especially applicable during the pandemic. MyADHD will automatically send notifications to the doctor if abnormal heart rate, panic attacks, or missed medication reminders have been detected. This data will all be stored in a cloud EHR platform, allowing the doctor to monitor and communicate directly with the patient through messaging on the app.
Another powerful feature of our watch is thermoelectric charging, relying on the user's body heat and ambient temperatures. By heating one end of the thermoelectric material, the electrons move from the hot end to the cold end, which causes an electrical current converting the temperature difference into energy. As thermoelectric power has been researched and proven to work, MyADHD will use it to improve the feasibility and reliability of the watch.
We also will launch a website to promote and educate buyers about our products. We will sell our product through Amazon to further expand our customer base. In order to advertise, we will promote on social media and other websites through ads.
The MyADHD Medical and Health Smartwatch is a complete solution for practical, affordable telehealth and remote patient monitoring. It is expected to be available for purchase by ADHD patients of May of this year. With its highly secure digital Bluetooth and cloud, TechTimes is empowering digital transformation in healthcare.